Welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's a girl Alicia Moore, and you know when you see me, especially when I got some makeup on my face, it's an outside moment, okay?
Most man like good girls, but them love bad gal. Bad gal, me a real bad gal. Man like good girls, but them love bad gal. Bad gal, me a real bad gal.
Nowadays, the next to what gal a do. Yeah, settings gal a take a whole crew. Coulda ten a coulda two, hey. I know nothing old, I know nothing new. No shame if you did the thing that I'm not about. Rub up your tight and you good crew. Yeah, and it's more you tell her.
Yes, it is summer. It is summer. It is summer. I know, even though some people think it's summer all year round in Jamaica because the place is always hot, but I'm telling you something. It's when it get down to this time of the year, like as soon as it starts for go down in a May, June, July. Yes, Jamaica is hot most of the times, but these months specifically are super hot. So I feel like a lot of this summer is just gonna include water activities for me, because I don't know already. If I know me is a water baby. Not only am I a summer baby, my birthday is in July, but I also love the water. Maybe I'm not a water baby in vain. I genuinely like the water. That is my sport, that is my fun. I am the mermaid that cannot swim. All right, but anyway, we will get through that. I am rocking my natural hair of lately because I just want to give myself a break, or my hair a break, from the weaves and the stresses of the weaves and everything, but just want my hair go and flourish on its own. So that way I work with today. We'll get my hair in one. We'll have on some really light makeup. To be honest, I'm not feeling like I have on makeup, just some Fenty Beauty powder foundation, and you know, I'm filling the sparse areas in my eyebrows, and I have on a relatively clear and smooth lip gloss, nothing too serious. Anyway, I'm sure no way I wear. Okay, so you guys will see my bikini when I get to the river, but I'm kind of put it on already because I am going to put my dress over it. So I am thinking of wearing this dress from New Look, and I realize I'm wearing a lot of New Look stuff, right? I got this dress recently. It's not as short as I would have wanted it to, but to be honest, I eat me a work with. Yeah, I eat me a work with. I'm kind of trying to change up my style lately, so I get some kind of little different activities, some little different things. This is what I'm wearing, guys. The dress a little bit big. It is US 10, which normally I think I'm between a 6 to 8. We're gonna make do, and we're gonna wear it, and we're gonna put it on with natural hair. We're gonna kind of look different. This is not our usual go-to style, but we're gonna make it work. All right, so I'm gonna see you guys when I get to the pool and meet up with my friends, and then we're gonna take it from there. All right, keep watching. I am ready for the pool. As you can see, my new look dress is really big, and don't come for me, but I'm wearing it regardless because this is, guys, some construction work is going on outside. Anyways, some construction work is going on outside, so if y'all hear some noise in the background, there's some trucks just doing them thing. This is the dress that I'm wearing. I'm ready for the pool. I know it's a little bit big, but I'm gonna wear it because whatever, I'm going to wear it. My natural hair, got these on, some bamboo, and I mixed it with one of these gold things, and I have some bamboo earrings in. I'm also going to be wearing this Saint Laurent shades, keep in everything, be like a pregnant lady. And I'm just gonna be taking this bag just so I can put some stuff in it. I don't necessarily have to take a bag, guys, because I'm not going to need it, but because I'm going to pack some stuff in it, I'm going to take this bag that I got from Ego. And the scent of the day is this White Frost perfume, because it just has this coconut smell like, and it just fits the vibes. Tropical beach. Boom. I'm gonna be on my way now, and I should be catching up with you guys when I get to the pool. So later, guys. So I am now at the pool meeting up with my friend. Y'all know Jessie. Guys, this is Jessie. Remember her from the Portland River Park? We're just having a daytime outside, just chilling. Jessie bring some
She was
apples.
afraid to shoot because this bitch bring me kind of feeling place.
It's not me. Yes, every
you,
time,
it's not
every
me.
time she had
Every
to tell
time
me.
she brown, no, so she can get out.
What them blouse and skirt. But anyways, yes, this is us. The pool is right here. Guys, I don't know if it's summertime, so I think I'm gonna go and get a lot of river and pool things this year. Oh yes, I'm traveling, But wait, you have to tell them that.
This is all over the world.
Yeah. For now, period. You like a view,
So
buddy?
pretty. It's a rich auntie vibe.
Yeah, rich and tan. Yes, guys. So that's what's popping. And man, I'm just not going at the pool. I might, but I kind of just want to chill out right now, guys. So I just checking in with you guys to show you what's happening, and yeah, continue to show me what I'm going to. Nothing much. I just chilling. Alright. I don't know when in the city and just see it's like chilling and a cool out vibe.
You know it's dark, right? But it's that slippers is cute. I love her dress. Where you buy that dress? Look at Zara. UK? Okay. New look,
A lot
yeah.
of new look outfits lately because I love the material and I love their styles. And you guys can check out new look for some nice new fashion. Alright? Anyway, I'm just showing them a look. Bye.
You're so crazy.
I know. Good morning, guys. So this is technically next day after the pool vibes, and I'm having some breakfast. This is some fried plantain, some overnight curry goat, and some green bananas. I'm also gonna be making some coffee tea, but it's not ready yet. So just a show me what I'm going for the morning. Good curry goat and green banana. Yeah, keep the belly up. Period. As you can see, girl have on wig, girl have on clothes, girl have on lip gloss, girl have on makeup. So y'all know, y'all already know, it's an outside moment. The last time you guys saw me, I was at the pool, and now we are getting ready to go to Ocho Rios. Well, I'm getting ready to go to Ocho Rios because it's one of our friends' birthday, and we decided that we're just going to go to Ocho Rios for the weekend, get an Airbnb, and just have some fun. So that's what I am currently preparing for. I already packed my bags. I didn't really do a pack with me this trip. That was too time consuming, and honestly it's a last minute plan, and I kind of have an idea of what I'm going to wear and what I'm going to need. It's not really like we're going to go out a lot. We're probably going to go to dinner, and we're probably going to do a lot of pool beach activities because the Airbnb that has a pool, and also it's very close to the beach. So that's really what it's going to be about. So I think I packed mostly like some bikinis and a dinner wear, which you guys will see that when I'm getting ready in the country. We're supposed to be leaving at 1, and right now it's a couple minutes to 1, and my friends have not called me yet, so I'm guessing they're not ready because they are late. I'm not. I'm wearing this top. I got this from my mom. My mom said this top for me, and I like it. It's kind of like a top that you can wear to work too, but I kind of knotted it and turned it into like a crop top kind of style. I'm gonna be wearing these shades again. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I got on some regular black leggings, and then I have on my Gucci slides. I'm taking my traveling bag, not taking a suitcase, and of course straw bag in case we decide to, well, not in case we decide to go to the beach, but for when we're going to the beach. So practically I am ready as to go now full fit. You know, my fit, just basic stuff really, guys. Just this nice leopard skin shirt which I like, and my black leggings which I got from Shein. This was a set from Shein. It come with that top, but yeah, I kind of rotate it with other stuff sometimes. Me I go catching up on the rebound, me I go catching up on the wig. And guys, if you want to see me next, I'm gonna do have on a wig. That's because I do not feel like wearing a wig, honestly. At this moment, I'm going to take off the wig and just take it in my bag and just go down with my natural hair. And then when I'm getting ready to go out, I might put the wig back on. So not really sure about the wig. I mean, it's sort of the vibe, but I'm not really sure. So if you guys see me hop back on the camera, I might be without a wig. I forgot to tell you guys about these bracelets that I got from Amazon. If you guys want the link to them, they're really heavy. I love how heavy they are, and I feel like it's gonna take a long while before these change, and I love how durable they are. I'm also taking with me some press-on nails, but I haven't added them on as yet. I think I'm gonna do that when I get to the country, because I'm not in the mood for all of that right now. So me without wig. Period. And I'm feeling this slick back vibe, guys. I'm feeling this slick back vibe. So I'm just want to show you something about the wig, and that's probably how I'm going to, and I'm right on this. Alright? Oh, I want to have some like a pearl earrings. I put some little pearl earrings in. Period. Period. Clock that. Cute. Wing is just like a sad case of food. Ochi. So guys, we are finally here in our hometown, Ocho Rios. It's gonna be a late weekend. We're here with Crystal and of course Jesse. Wait, I'm now gonna give you the tour of the Airbnb. Crystal will be the tour guide. Yes. It's Will's birthday, guys, and we're here to celebrate Will's 100th birthday, okay?
169.
169.
Over 100.
Okay. Not, can I come in?
Yes, of course.
Alright, let's see what's popping.
Here we have the couch. And
Crystal just entered the building, so everything is as new to her as it to me.
Right.
Okay.
And dining area.
We have lights?
Yes.
Alright.
Oh, lovely. So here we have our kitchen. So, you know, breakfast is going to be served tomorrow.
Bye.
By Jess,
Jess.
of course. And the fridge. Wash area. Yeah. Oh, this is a surprise. I can't pull it. I don't think you can open it.
You can't pull.
Anyways.
Oh, we have a washroom, a wash area.
Upstairs. What's in here? Oh, it's a powder room.
Let's see. The door is big and nice.
Yeah.
I want this door in my bathroom.
Powder room.
Oh, half bathroom. Cute.
Oh, let's go in here.
Bedroom number 1, guys. I will have a nice little standing mirror right here. Cute. Bedroom 1. The big bed.
King size.
It looks so much better in person.
The roses aren't here as yet because you can see all the petals and everything. And the shower. Wow.
Shower.
Yes.
Cute. Cute. Like it.
They ate with the design. It's lovely. You know what they see is going to be like plants. You know,
Cute,
like a
yeah.
vegetable tree.
I look good like that too. Where's the lights?
The only problem with this place, guys.
We need lights. We need for sale.
The only
Good.
fault.
No, that's sunset. Guys, I have ceiling fans as well.
Oh, is that a
I
jacuzzi?
see there.
Is that a
This looks like the
jacuzzi?
master bed.
Well, I know where I'm gonna be spending my night.
Oh my god. I think this looks better in person. So much better. Guys, we even have a cheese. And this is closet. We have a big closet. Okay? So I think this is the master bedroom.
This is not the master downstairs.
I think this is the master based on the
Let's see
bathroom.
the view. Wow.
So the view. It also has a balcony. And look out. Looks great. A small couch. Smells good too. Here I am again. know. You know. So this don't have no tub, but yeah.
It works.
It works. It works. This looks like Crystal feeling it.
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah.
Let's see how cute the closets. Oh, this is a double bed and it looks like 2 queen beds.
Yes.
Not bad.
Space.
Like a chair. Yes. It also has TV, guys. Fully equipped. And this room also has its own bathroom.
Yes.
Nice show. Nice show.
So it's 3 bedrooms, 2 beds in 1 bedroom, and 3 bathrooms, including a powder room.
Including a powder room. Oh my god!
And we have a grill downstairs.
Really? Oh my
For
god!
the chicken lovers.
So where's the pool? Or is that community pool? That's the only downer. I thought it was a private pool, but we're gonna have to share. But we have grills downstairs and sitting tables and stuff like that. But I like it, real cute. And we have dining area outside, guys, so we can have breakfast out here. It's like a dining nook. And I love the doors. Yeah, I love the doors.
They're so specific with this. They say
I'm not
no
even
fish
read that.
frying. 300 USD to clean AC from fish smell.
Who cares? Enter your birthday room. Birthday to you. Go, Will. Happy birthday, dear Will. Come on, girl. Happy birthday to you.
Just 169.
Woo!
The 69 isn't a reference for anything.
That coffee is shot, you know, but I mean,
Yes, where's the liquor?
none. None yet. Gonna have to go back. This was a good one. This was a good one. Appreciate it. Thanks, Crystal, for the tour. Alright, guys, so you just got the tour. We're gonna go for our bags now and situate ourselves. I love the Airbnb. It smells new, it smells fresh, it smells crisp. To be honest, it looks much better in person than even from the picture. It look good, you know. But I don't know, it just looks really good in person, and I love it. I feel like I'm gonna take this room because it's downstairs, and all of us are just going to have to take our own rooms. I feel like I want to be downstairs. This room have its own bathroom as well. I can work with this. I can work with it. Cute. Anyway, I'm off to go because we play music and get vibes. So bye. Because we don't sleep inside. And we thought it was gonna be inside, but it's not. Thought it was a private pool, but it's not. And this don't look like that at all. This. I wonder if it's up there somewhere. Find the pool. It's not so bad. Not so. Wish it was more enclosed, but yeah. Oh, it's not big. That's the only thing. Can work. Can work. It looks like a nighttime vibe more so than a daytime vibe. Them have an accident, so them kind of close off the pool for a moment because it looks like the tractor is stuck over there. Too bad. We're gonna have some lit pool vibes later on from this lit pool vibe. Definitely I'm coming here. It don't look too deep, so that's good because y'all already know I can't swim. That's it. Oh, she gets it for open.
Come to this hand. Come, quiet, girl. Don't go to the birthday. Come on. You heard that all? Yes. No, you're spoiling it. You're spoiling it. It's us. Hey, the faves, you know. A party time, I would just breathe. You know it go. Hey! We naughty girl. We naughty girl. Oh, that's easy. What is that? Wait. Not keeping our top and get the fuck out of the fucking club. Here. Hold on. Let's just get some sweet vibes. Cause you know, now I'm gonna make the cargo drink. Bye.
Rasta, come here. Come here, wait, Rasta, hold it. Hey, move your face, what do I taste them?
Alright, so I'm gonna steam back home. I'm gonna dress and thing, but actually the problem but whenever vlog me and get ready and things spontaneously them decide to them I'm gonna go on the road, and guys never really prepare for that thing, but we got anyway. We went to Taboo Ochi, was kinda lame. And then we went to it was Lounge and Bishop Escobar was playing and we had a great time. I'm sure I'm still like the clips there, I never do much because honestly I just start trying to enjoy myself. I never try to do too much videoing, but we got a few clips, I'm sure I'll see it. So I'm to the vibes. It was a good time. I was lit. Back home now, I go vibes. It's probably like 4 a.m. now, honestly, when I lie, it's probably like 4 a.m. I'm late, but I want to live some more, okay? I want to be late more. So, yeah, where I just start, which is a simple dress, which is I just wear all the time, I'm sure. Amazon bandere mommy that's about say I'm a guest chain. Yes, so that was me. I had a great time, guys. Oh my god. can't wait to sleep. Before I'm gonna sleep, I'm gonna have a dinner, but I'm gonna continue vibe and then I'm come up with tonight. 8 Rivers Lounge was tea. Bishop Escobar, you did that shit. Taboo. Anyways, I go and drink, enjoy myself, and then we get maybe we got TikTok live. Maybe. This lighting is so tea. Look cute, but anyways, guys, make a link on the back later. Guys, out of 4 after you remember first of all, after 4 outside, I eat one of my favorite snacks, holiday raisin and nuts. Literally my fave. Like if you give me the big bag in this, I fuck it up in a less than 3. I'm addicted. Holiday, when I can sponsor me, you know, because I really love that snack here. One of my faves. Because it has raisins and I like it too. So I feed pan this. I'm a cup red. I told you guys that I just got home from the club. I kind of feel first. I'm not gonna tell no lie. But when I feel sleepy, good morning. It is day 2 and I just woke up. I literally just woke up. I had a long night. I don't know if I recorded anything, but if I did, y'all would have seen like a little snippet of what my night was. Alright guys, I kind of migrate into the migrating at the bathroom, but my phone is not the cover in the bathroom. That's crazy.
We did it! Wait!
My phone is in another room now. I'm going to be doing my makeup right now. I'm gonna like own a setup on a kind of in the dark part. Alright, let's try with this one. Let's try with this one. This is gonna be a very light makeup because I'm going to the beach. So I'm gonna use just my Fenty powder and my Fenty foundation. And yeah. Little lip gloss, maybe like light feathered eyebrows, and that's going to be it. But guys, when we finish doing makeup and get ready and thing, may show no what going. Alright, you guys can see when I use a Fenty powder how lightweight it is, because I never no makeup a while ago. Start to put it on now, and it blends into my skin. It looked light when I put it on, but I think it's actually, I put too much this a while ago. I think it kind of dark, but me I work with it still. Happy Father's Day to all the amazing fathers out there. You know, if you've been doing what you need to do as a dad, then this one is definitely for you. Keep doing a great job, and I hope y'all kids, you know, are kids that you fostered or are taking care of, you know, stepdads, because you have some good stepfather out there, you know. I just hope say, you know, the children and the parents, the moms, are doing something great to make them feel special. Mothers, I'm telling you something. Say if you know you have a good man in your life, a good baby father, a good husband to the children, when you must make them feel special on Father's Day, just the same way. Or only that want them to make you feel special for Mother's Day, alright? Like, I know a lot of the fathers aren't doing what they're supposed to do, and hence why we have a lot of single mothers in the world. But for the ones that are actually doing their part and doing what needs to be done, when they need to stop, make them feel appreciated, right? Because based on what I've been hearing, a lot of the fathers feel like enough emphasis is not placed on Father's Day as it is on Mother's Day, and I can attest to that. But because enough of them have more of a bad reputation. And moms, if the father them broke, especially if you pick them up broke, I believe that when you have children with a broke man, you must give them grace. So I don't expect too much from the broke man. Them I don't know when they pick them up broke, right? So you need to stop separate the children them from the fathers them if them not have nothing to give them, especially if the father them will make effort for at least being at the pit of them life. All right, and fathers you must work and make sure son try to take care of the youths them. So that's all the advice I have to give in regards to parenting. Happy Father's Day to all the dads. I'm gonna link you guys back as soon as I finish putting on my makeup. As you can see, me a dab because I kind of want my makeup to just have a real natural vibe. So catching up when we're ready for go up on the beach. All right, the crew right now is sleeping. Jesse's up, she's on her phone. Crystal, I think she's still sleeping, and the birthday boy is still in his bed. Yeah, later guys. So I drop on the wig, the same wig when I struggle with from the video start. I just not know, even though I drop it on, I still don't know if I want to wear it. So they have fight with it, they have fight with it, guys. Like, true, we are go on the beach and thing, I'm kind of just want to get a better little dress up today. I decided to say I just wear it and thing. But I don't know. Let me see. Tell me what I like it. This is probably one of the only a long time enough fight with 1 week. So I think the problem is, guys, it's just not my kind of style, and also when I want no lashes and I fight with myself and put on lashes, yes or no. I don't feel like I want to put on a lash, honestly. I just want to wear my shades and just call it a day. I just can't bother the bag of things then come and know the beach are gonna be freaking hot, and I don't want to be batting my eyes and dealing with curly units. No. Anyway, I wanted to do a skincare update also. When I say my dress, well, please pretend I could have never said that. Anyways, I wanted to do a skincare update with you guys soon. I'm gonna do a video about that, and I think I'm gonna do it on my chit chat with Amor channel, because I want to do like a full skincare video where I tell them about the things that when we use, be it not just like face skincare products, but like overall body skin overall, because you know I have a lot of skincare products when I used to like the Lubriderm. Yeah, I just think about it a while ago. I use Lubriderm on my legs because my legs tend to be very ashy, and this is the advanced moisture therapy lotion, and this is something that is definitely a part of my skincare routine for my leg them, specifically for my leg them, because the different part of my body them are different and weird. This is for my legs because my legs is super ashy and dry, so it need extra moisture, so I have to keep that with this. And I just want to do a full skincare update where I can talk about some of the other products them when I use, like really interesting stuff, like for example the Papillon. I don't know if you guys are aware of the Papillon, but it's an olive oil with mint body wash. So you see anytime I beard with this, you see anytime I beard with this, my skin just feels so good. I'm not like, I like to use this at night, not in the days. In the days I have something different that I use, but I never carry it with me, so I can't show it. But in the night, this is what I like to use, because I'm not telling, like, I don't know, something in it that just gives your body this calming feeling, this calming, soothing feeling. I just feel like I just want to lie down, put on your best night and just go sleep. This. So anyways, I'm gonna do a full skin update video from face to from my eye to my toe, and show them some of the products they want to use. And if you're not interested in them, we definitely can make you know how to get them. But you don't know already, Amazon is where it's at, everything. Alright, so I'm gonna go and fight with that area some more. Put on my bikini. Guys, I'm ready. I'm gonna put on this. I'm gonna bring you little cover up now. Why am I upset? But I guess I'm gonna wear, okay? Don't judge. I'm wearing this as well. Taking this little bag, go stuff. Probably this or this. Some gold earring, but I can't see them. So like, this is it. Period. now when reach the river. Period.
So then he said that he. I wouldn't trade this for the world, guys.
What wouldn't you trade?
Foreign.
Jamaica?
Jamaica.
I'm not lie.
Listen.
Fancy outfit, she's cute, right? Tell her the outfit is fitting. Fitting. So guys, we are gonna head out now. We're going to the beach. This is us. The vlog continues. Yep. We're just going now, guys. We're at the beach. It's her favorite song.
Body girl, Alicia Moore. Jamaican girls of it. Call me the female shopper ranking. Yard and abroad, we are set the damn thing. Alicia Moore at Yaltin ting. Jamaican girl meet Colombian king. Most man like good girls, but them love bad gal. Bad gal, me a real bad gal. Man like good girls, but them love bad gal. Bad gal, me a real bad gal.
Nowadays, the next to what gyal a do. I settings gyal a take a whole crew. Coulda ten a coulda two, eh? I know nothing no, I know nothing new. No shame.
Them no worry me. Them life is a mess. Oh, some gal make man left them depressed. We no follow back a man and we no war with ex. Gal a compete when there's no contest. Real goody.
Guys, I have a first timer. She said no wrong camera share up, and we're gonna see that today. But she drink one cup that not gonna work. I say how much cup she drink, and me go watch her baby and make her know if she alright and stuff. It's not a good shot. It's better with chaser. Chaser crubbing alcohol though. Yes, have a spoon taste. Yes, you want Crystal put in her cup? Oh no, wait, this is not. No, Crystal. No, you're not doing it. I'm good with this. We can get you the cool chaser. We can chill out. It's actually the same. They are going vibe. Chaser no. Guys, not gonna make me know if it's that going with. One time we need the ice. You want to walk up? I think short shot. Alright. Spicy. Just set up okay. Be careful, please. Don't let the girl take away now. Please. Oh. Let's go. Yeah, alright. Jamaica and Brazil.
On Jamaica. Beautiful.
In our groove. Yeah, but I look like shit because I shouldn't have wear a wig, but whatever, I'm learning my lesson today. What puffy we're going to eat? Anyway, just to go and water. My item are bleed, so I'm going to put on my glasses.
Guys, come back from the beach. Guys, we're back from the river. No, I'm sorry, I'm going to the beach. We went to Ocho Rios Bay Beach. It was a good vibe. I think it's the first time I was going to Ocho Rios Beach. It's a vibe. We bought our own liquor. We got ice. And I saw a couple people, you know, that I knew from Kingston. Well, one guy, I don't really know him like that, but I met him from the Pop the Balloon. You know, funny enough, guys, I would encourage anybody that ever thought about Pop Balloon to go on it. I just wish it was a little bit more mature audience, but Pop the Balloon is actually good networking. And actually, I went on Pop the Balloon and I saw a lot of people, like a lot of people message me from overseas, and I got a lot of little opportunities also from being on Pop the Balloon. So I can try it out. It's not a bad thing. I think sometimes if you're more mature, you won't really appreciate the audience that might be there when you're there. But yeah, the beach was a good freaking vibe. I'm not the door because the copyright and the music. So we come from the beach, but we ended up at the pool. And well, I never really vlog at the pool because when I come, my phone battery dead. And to be honest, I just wanted a continued vibes from the beach, so we just went straight to the pool and just continued the vibe at the pool. And my battery was dead and I never charged it, so never really get much we never really get much content at the pool. I didn't even take a picture today or nothing like that. But guys, sometimes I do them something here so often that to keep up with the bag of picture and video, it's just not what I want to do, because most times I just really want to enjoy myself. But then I'm always telling myself, you know, this is vlog content, can kind of show their supporters a little bit of what you're doing. So I'm always a try. I think I do a little bit better on this trip because I'm really trying to include in this. Now we are thinking about going to dinner. Not sure what we're going to do completely as yet, so that way I decide pan. I'm just here fixing my hair. I don't know, guys, maybe bring the wig wear with the dress, so I did have wear gardening tonight, but today I'm just doing our weave vibes, like wig vibes. I don't know how that will go. So for now, I'm just catch up my hair, because when I'm ready for go, if I summer feel, I will be literally wearing my natural hair. Yeah, just that me I feel right now. I can't force myself to like anything different. So I think I should use up my bikini. My bikini, that's a word too. The river, and the bikini is from Victoria's Secret. And I think I wore it already at another Airbnb that I went to in Ocho Rios, and I think I did a vlog on it. But I only wore it that time, and I just felt like I wanted to wear it again today. BB. Yeah, but I like it. Quality. I like great quality things. Anyway, I'm going to keep you guys updated with what we're doing later on. So for now, bye. The struggles of the curly unit. Anyways, guys, this is our final night, and we are going for a dinner. After dinner, we're going probably to a club or something. I am ready. I kind of show you guys my fit. We're kind of sure how the clothes then I'll be a problem. But y'all get the drift. Never did I go wear the ear, but here I am again struggling with it. I feel like I don't need for see me. Yeah. And I'm finally carrying the bag. I'm ready for the road. Ready for the road. Alright, so we're gonna catch you guys up on the road. See you guys later. I'm gonna show you the rest of the crew and what they're doing. this has been a great trip. I enjoyed myself to the max. It was a great weekend. I'm so happy that I was able to do this. However, I don't know. I kind of took on the nightlife in Ocho Rios, and there are some things that I noticed, which I don't really know if it's good or bad. But one, like I went to the club on Saturday. Saturday night? Yeah, we went to the club on Saturday night. One of the things that made me uncomfortable is they made the female and male share bathroom, the same bathroom. That was so weird. So I had this really crazy situation where I went into the bathroom. I did not know that the bathroom was like supposed to be used by both persons, and then this guy walked in right after me. I was so terrified. Like I was so terrified because he came in. He was this tall ass nigga, and he stood right at the door, and I'm looking at him like, you know, like, what the fuck are you doing in here? But then he started to let me know that he knew me. I don't know if he was saying he knew me from the Pop the Balloon show or some shit like that. But all the time he was talking to me, he was being really nice. But I was so terrified because I was just like, what the fuck are you doing in here? And then he let me know that both male and female use the bathroom. I was like, what? That shit is super, super weird. Like, who does that? I've never seen that before. So that was the first thing I noticed. No, that's not normal. Let me know if you guys are from Ocho Rios. Let me know if that is a normal thing at most places or if it was just for that specific club. Because I feel like that shit was weird as hell. I realized that a pretty common thing in Ocho Rios is rooftop lounges, and that's cool and everything. But why do you have to pay to go into a restaurant to buy food to eat? Explain that to me. Because we also went to 1212 and they were charging us an entry fee when initially we just wanted to go to the restaurant. And I'm not saying that anyone had a problem with paying to go in, but it's just weird that we're going to dine and spend money on food and still have to pay to go into the restaurant to buy food. That was kind of weird too. I don't know. I just think Ochi way of doing things is a little bit different from Kingston, and that's fine. Everybody have their way of doing things, but it was just kind of like, you know, when you're going to a different country and you're not used to the culture. I wouldn't say it's a culture shock because it's still one Jamaica, and it's still we're all still Jamaicans. But I just feel like their way of doing things in Ocho Rios is just slightly a little bit different. Some things from Kingston, but yeah. Anyways, I'm just ranting away. I didn't really get to do much vlogging either outside on the lounge or anything outside. I took pictures, so you guys can go ahead and follow my IG for like story snaps and photos of what that was like. I never really get to do much vlogging because a lot of music and the music was really loud, and I just didn't. I don't know. It just didn't feel right. Also, Stock actually was at 1212. She wasn't really there to perform or anything. I think she just passed through to have like a good time with her friends. They were all there. But 1212, it's not bad. I enjoy the vibe. I enjoy the crowd. It kind of reminds me of when you're hanging out at Crew Bar or one of those nice uptown lounges and stuff in Kingston. Yeah, it have a good vibe. I definitely recommend it if you want to go and lounge out, or if you're looking for like a Crew Bar vibes, or if you're looking for like the lot vibes. And yeah, it's a good place to lounge out and eat and chill and listen to good music, and they have good drinks. I got like purple rain when I was there, and you know me, once I go to a bar that is going to do mixed drinks, I'm going to get me a purple rain. Never really take no video. I think I took a photo out there, but that's about it, guys. I'm really never in the vlogging mode, guys. This was a short weekend, but we did a lot in the short weekend, and yeah, my buzz out. My buzz out. So now I'm going to get on ready. I'm going to take the makeup off my face and get ready for bed because we check out at 10 in the morning. So I'm tired. Pretty sure I'm gonna be waking up really late also. Um, but yeah, fingernail and pop up, but that's cool. I'm over it anyway. I don't know. Maybe I show you guys how I do my nighttime routine in this vlog. I probably will, or probably just make a how I do my nighttime routine video tonight and post it on my chit chat with a more channel. Maybe that's what I'll do. So I'm going to get undressed and we have a time. Yeah, we don't know already. Can't go out and don't come at Sakura, the biggest Chinese restaurant in Ocho Rios. But anyway, guys, I don't know what's the vibe is now. We're actually going home, but before we go home, we're stopping Portland and have another little vibe there. We're going to look for my friend from my vibe out. So I'm going to keep up with you guys. Later, I'm going to make a vlog, but I'm going to think so. I'm going to do a little bit more vlog and then make a little bit after this, alright? We checked out of the Airbnb, but the vibe continues for another 5 minutes. Stick and stay. Later, guys.
Alone on this journey, who can I call on? I cry alone, but this silence is so long. I can't give up. Long as I'm breathing, I will never fail.